Hello, I'm Maria. I have two children. One 4-year-old goes to Cylchoedd. My daughter 2-year-old goes to Meithrin Boras. In our family we speak 3 languages, Polish, Welsh and English.
I'm Shannon and I have 3 children. The eldest is 15 years old and he's been in Welsh-medium education right from the beginning. He's going to be leaving school in this year, and I'm following suit now with my other 2 girls. My 6-year-old daughter's in Welsh primary school. She's been to TUV and Cylch Meithrin, and I attend TUV with my youngest daughter now.
Helo, Jane ydw i, a dwi wedi cael yng ngeni a magu yn Wrecsam. Gan i 3 o hogiau, mae 11, mae'r llall yn 6 oed, a mae'r ienger hyn o bryd yn mynychu Cylch Meithrin. Mae'r gŵr ddim yn siarad Cymraeg, felly, ond eto oedd hi'n penderfyniad eitha hawdd i ni fel teulu bod y plant i gyd yn mynd i gael addysg Gymraeg. 3 ohonyn nhw wedi bod yn lwcus a mynychu sesiynau TUV. Mae'n grêt, dwi'n credu oedd yn brofiad ffantastig iddyn nhw, ac i ni fel rhieni gallu siarad hefo rhieni felly di-Gymraeg, a felly dwi'n perswad ar nhw. Felly oedd hwnna'n eitha pwysig i ni fel mynychu sesiynau TUV. Mae'r 3 ohonyn nhw hefyd wedi mynychu Cylch Meithrin, ac o'n i'n teimlo bod hwnna'n rili yn rhoi dechrau da iddyn nhw o ran y taith addysg Gymraeg.
Decided that all my children will attend Welsh-medium education and they love it. Some Bowies in Ysgol Morgan Llwyd is going to be finishing this year. Really got on great despite being from an English-speaking household. Betsy, my middle girl, she's in Blwyddyn Dau now. Come on even faster, I think, because she attended TUV and Cylch Meithrin as well. And my youngest daughter Branwen is 6 months, and we plan to do the same, hopefully in the same schools too. And we're attending TUV at the moment.
My children have gone through TUV sessions in Welsh onto Meithrin, and now my eldest child is in Cylchoedd, going onto Derby class next year. I find it really helpful, very supportive, the fact that those sessions are organised.
Mae'r holl yn naturiol i ni fel teulu. Dwi'n gwybod fatha bod addysg Gymraeg yn bwysig. Nes i trwy addysg Gymraeg, gŵr ddim yn mynd trwy addysg Gymraeg. Felly mi o'n rhywfaint o nerfysrwydd dwi'n credu yn perthyn iddo fo, ond mae o'n gallu gweld y manteision hefyd o cael y Gymraeg fel iaith ar gyfer y dyfodol a'r gwaith yn y pen draw.
So the reason I chose Welsh-medium education for my children, there are a few benefits in my mind. The first one I always think of is, I always say to people, if I lived in Spain, I'd send my kids to a Spanish school, most definitely, just to learn the language of the country we live in. And I know how beneficial it is for people to grow up bilingual. It feels like a risk at first, but I can honestly say it's definitely paid off, because so far the children have effortlessly taken on both languages without any trouble whatsoever. And which I'm quite envious of, really.
Before we decided to send our children to Meithrin, we paid a visit, and we were happy with the fact that the environment was very welcoming, the setting was very colourful, and our children, we feel that our children get a lot of attention.
Although it can be quite daunting, I found that I haven't had anything to worry about really regards to sending my children to Welsh school, because we've kind of gone through the journey together and I've been learning with them, and the bit I have learned I think has helped me enough to help them along with their work. All communication from the school has always been bilingual. The kids have just taken to it like ducks to water. They've had no problems at all. So Branwen is only 6 months old, but we've been attending our TUV now for I think two months already, since she was 4 months. she's going to be attending Welsh-medium Education as well, going through the whole lot, aren't you? And already we're singing Welsh songs at home and using the Welsh that we learn here at TFE, which I think is going to help her.
Felly cynllun ni fel teulu, yn amlwg mae'r ddau hynna wedi bod trwy tueddu ar Cylch. Mae nhw'n hapus iawn rwan mewn addysg gyfrwng Gymraeg yma yn Wrecsam. A o fewn 2 flynedd, mi fydd yr hynna yn mynd i ysgol Model Llwyd. Mae hwnna yn gam naturiol i ni fel teulu bod o'n parhau ar y siwrne. A'r gobaith ydy fydd o'n gallu mynd i astudio trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg yn brifysgol os na dyna ydy dewis o. Ond na, mae'n siwrne yn bendant a dwi'n credu bod o'n bwysig bod nhw wedi gallu mynd i'r TFEs. Maen nhw wedi gwneud ffrindiau yn y TFEs. Dwi dal y ffrindiau hefo mama a tadau yn ei gwrdd yn y TFE 10 mlynedd yn ôl bron. A mae hwnna'n digwydd a mae'n neis achos ni fel rhyw fath o uned hefo'n gilydd yn cefnogi'n gilydd wrth nhw fynd trwy addysg Gymraeg.
Our advice to people who are still hesitating whether to send their children through Welsh education is don't worry, just do it, go for it.
So my advice would be, if you're considering a TFE group or Welsh-medium education for your child, is 100% go for it. I'm also the treasurer for our local Cylch Meithrin, and so I go to the setting quite often and see the children there. We live in an area where there aren't many first language Welsh speakers, so yes, just go for it. That would be my advice.
Cyngor dwi'n credu sy'n ei roed i'r rhieni sy'n falle ddim cweit yn siŵr. Cerwch yn wyt i a fi, siaradwch efo'r swyddogion, cysylltwch efo Mudiad Meithrin, dwi'n siŵr sy'n nhw'n falch iawn o cael sgwrs hollol anffurfiol, mynd i'r grwpiau, mynd i'r clybiau, a siarad efo'r rhieni sydd wedi bod trwy'r profiad tebyg. Rwch go arno fo, dwi'n credu bod yna digon o gyfleoedd, falle cyn bod nhw'n cychwyn yr ysgol, i ryw fath o profi i weld be ydy addysg Gymraeg, ond jyst rwch go arno, dwi'n meddwl.